Šiandien pradėsim tokį kitokį video. Sugrįžtam su vasaros trenksmu, esu pilnas gazo, pilnas šaudų. Šiandien apžvelgsim 15 pačių baisiausių video. Pizdys, čia kai bus šakės. Nusproksim, seniai, komentuosim, darysim. Reikia apžvalgas daryti. Žaidimai nebeįdomus. Aš pačiam naujas telefonas nusipirkau. Ir žaidimo to pačio nebeturiu, nieks neįsiseivina. Žadėjau su kompiuteriu daryti, bet kompiuterio laidą supisau tiesiog. Tas pagrindinė metaliukai špakšt, nutrūka kaip koks špinšpelis. Va, kaip matot, kažkoks čia pavadinimą radau internete. Top 10 most scariest durable camera moments ever recorded. Pažiūrėsim, kas čia per myžalus, kas čia per šūdus. Apžvelgsim, aptarsim, pažiūrėsim, kas čia gera bus. Aišku, pakomentuokit, kokio stiliaus norot video, ką apžvelgti, kažką panašaus. Tiesiog rašykit komentarus, aš neturiu idėjų, ką daryti dažniausiai. Gal tai buvau dingęs, aišku, kiek čia, mėnesį gal. Bibi, žin kiek, bet žiūrim. Garažaus. Most disappointing things on the...
This first video was captured in the middle of the night at an apartment complex in Toledo, O. The doorbell footage shows a man knocking on the front door.
Nahui durų neužsirakini, pirmas video mane užpisa jau. Sen čia matos ryškiai kažkoks dalbajobas atėjęs. Žmogus, su kaukiu užsipisęs. Asilas turi būti, kad nesuprasti.
With what looks like a firearm in his waistband. Now, the owner of the apartment didn't recognize the man, so she would question who it was. The unknown man would simply respond with "It's me." The homeowner would then further question his...
Seni, what the fuck, ką tu čia laikai savo špimpalą gal pasiėmęs, ar ką tu čia žadi traukti, gal Seni, zebriukai? Cizų pakį turi, kontrabandą pristatė čigonas. Stupudovai iš
response, but rather than clarifying, he would simply give away through the front door.
Pamatė, kad negražiai, stajakas, kad neprei kažko laikytis. Diga, gražus bobas. Eik tu savo.
However, it would not be enough to get the home order to open it, so you would ultimately walk off. Disturbingly, as he does so.
Seni. Pala.
However, it would not be enough to get the home order to open it, so you would ultimately walk off.
Pala.
Disturbing.
Kas taip kuprinį nešioja ant dvi petneš, bet viena perneša kažkokį sumažėjus. Nuo sesės kuprinė pasiėmė kurvo. Kurkai negaliu. Tas sesės kuprinė pasiėmė. Aš atsakau, čia ir Mickey Mouse, seniai ausis į datos veiduką, žinai, Mickey Mouse.
As he does so, a second man pops up from a nearby dumpster and also walks off.
Varyk su Mickey Mouse kuprinė.
But this wouldn't be the end of it. The two would then walk around to the back door, where they would attempt to pick its lock. The police were called, and when they arrived, the two...
Seni! Pala.
But this wouldn't be the end of it.
The
two would then walk around to the back door, where they would attempt to pick its lock.
Seni, žydas Aš nesu, kad kažką ten rasistą, kažką panašaus, bet seni, čia kur žydus, tipo, kai antro pasaulinį karų, tipo, laikė, grinai tos kelnės, tos baltos žymės, grinai.
Police were called, and when they arrived, the
Dar net striukė to pačiu buvo.
two were gone. Fortunately, unsuccessful in getting the door open. It's not one.
Žmogus ant tiek nebeturi ką veikti, kad numirė, blėt, užrašė ant savo šiukšliadėžės kurva. Aš čia sapadauju, čia yra Amerikai kokioj. Ir žmogus toks, aš noriu savo numerį amžinti ant savo šiukšlinės, pistai picenakus skaičiukus. Arba kodą savo durų, dėl to atsidarinėja jos kurat.
100% clear what the 2-minute planned. The almost empty-looking backpack at the first guy suggests they had planned to rob the place. But it's also possible they had much worse intentions. The two of them have yet to be identified by police. The homeowner in Texas would wake up one morning to find the gate into his backyard wide open. Curious.
Seniai, kilimėlis kaip pas močiutę, žinot, kai būna balius ir močiutė tokį patėse, čia jie stalą žemę vadina. Kur pas močiutės tokie gražų patėse. Baltai mišrainiai, krabų mišrainiai, kodletams, bulvių košiai, arba cepelinams, kažkas panašaus. Čia, blėt, kilimėlį. Pasidėję, kurva. Eiktina. Kilimėlį tokį stalai nebereikalingas močiutė atidavė.
The man would review the cameras he had around his house, and this is
What the fuck, iš kur tas klaunas? Eik, tu šit. Ką jis dabar čia, tipo, duokit cirko bilietus man atgal. Aš šiandien nedalyvausiu.
sign he was met with.
Сегодня, what the fuck? Šitas klaunas mėsininkas. Aš atsakau. Nepavyko atspėti burkodą.
A man holding a knife and in a clown costume, complete with the suit and mask, casually walks around the property, looking inside the house and testing all the doors.
Aš turiu klausimą šitiems žmonėms. Aš tikiu, gerai, jie miega, bet nors vienas turėjo išgirsti tą durų tokį, kad daro kažką ten. Atsikėlė policija, iškviet, viskas, baigt. Aš ten Amerikai, kol policija atvažiuoja, ten žmogus spėjo numirti, nes paskambin, hello, be with me, don't hang out, tipo, nepadėk ragėlių. Tai tas žmogus, aišku, kad jį suras, blėt, jis išnekės, tai jį suras palei garsą. Paskiau sako, dėl ko ten pilna mirš žmonių. Tai what the fuck, policija. Tai čia dabar tau galiuką pavogs. Seniai, jau vienas klaunas jau yra, bet tai nosis iškišasi pro langą. Arba vaikas iškišo, pažiūrėk, kas save nukirs. Seniai, žiūrėk, rimtai. Arba tėvas grįžo, vaikas mokyklai su pastabagi. Pargrįžo iš šūlės, makt iš kojas makt. Į langą įstrigo, poko mėgos. Eiktina.
This will, of course, take place in 2016, during that sort of killer clown craze that went on for a few months. Looking back, most people that participated in that were most likely just having fun trying to scare people. But there's no denying that others took advantage of the situation, genuinely attempting some pretty horrific crimes hidden under a clown mask, with this likely being one of those cases. It's clear the person in the costume is actually trying to break into the house with a knife. Though after being unsuccessful, the clown would eventually walk off, and despite a police report, that would be the end of it. Ultimately, the homeowner would be left with nothing but this disturbing footage.
Jo, gal.
This footage was captured in Colorado in the middle.
Stasys pasirodė. Eik tu savo. Senis Stasiuks užsigrūdnės. Iš zonas paleido, dabar jisai kai... Nežinau, kas čia lūšis, nelūšis. Kažkas, žin, užsikašiantus. Dabar tai jo apipyst visus.
Of the night, the issue 3 mountain lions appearing from the darkness and starting to walk around a set of houses. They were captured even going as far as to walk up onto the porch of one of the houses. Mountain lion sightings are known to be exceptionally rare in this specific area. Typically, they'll stay a lot further in the mountains where they have easier access to the deer that they prey on. To see them in an area with a lot of people, especially in the neighborhood, is not at all common, at least in this area. The 3 cans would eventually walk off, but there are almost no doubt things would have gone differently had one of these homeowners left their pets outside for the night, or possibly were even outside themselves. This doorbell camera footage was captured in Overland Park, KS, in March of 2017. Shown in the video is a nearby active house fire. The home of the neighborhood just across the street has been completely engulfed in flames.
Vaikas kepė pizzą, čia biški pridėkė. Pizzikį.
As the fire department arrives, neighbors can be seen
Pala. Seni, kodėl to žmogus ten tą moterį? Seni, jis tiesiog einam čia gydį.
The home of the neighborhood just across the street has been completely engulfed in flames. As the fire department arrives, neighbors can be seen desperately moving their parked cars away from the house.
Kaip kokį šunį už pavadėlę, už rankas užkabintis. Kaip kokį šuniuką tampa.
Eventually, a flaming piece of debris can be seen falling and landing on a set of bushes just in front of the camera. The bushes quickly burst into flames. The fire starts spreading quickly, but before it's able to get out of hand, a neighbor notices it and attempts to put it out. He grabs a...
Kaip futbolo kamuolį, pažiūrėk, dasik. Toks futbolistas, ką tik
The fire starts spreading quickly, but before it's able to get out of hand, a neighbor notices it and attempts to put it out. He grabs a garden hose and sprays the fire while pressing the house's doorbell. However, the owner of the house isn't home and frantically tries to communicate this through the doorbell speaker.
Hello, yes, I put here. Please potato. I put...
In the end, the fire department would be able to put out the house fire and, with help from the neighbors, prevent it from spreading to nearby houses. This video was posted by Dordal from the neighbors, prevent it from spreading to nearby houses. This video was posted.
Ateivė nusileido. Bus video. Buvo žmogų ant teivės galvos. Prapliko vieno vietoj, kur ateivė nusileido su erdvėlaiviu.
Posted by Dordal News in September of 2022. This video shows a man knocking on the door at 3 a.m. He pounds on the door multiple times. This guy needs some help, but it's 3 in the morning and he needs to go away. He asks the homeowner to come to the door and talk to him. big ass? Can you come talk to me, please?
Bet jis atrodo įsiganęs kažkaip.
There was no reply from the homeowner. The guy went into the street and started looking for a lift. Then he comes again and starts pounding
Kuom jisai blogas, jis tiesiog nešios kibiriuką.
on the door. He gets aggressive and starts yelling. The homeowner called the police.
Jeigu jūs turit, tipo, ant tų, tipo, tų paspaudį skambutį, galit kalbėti, nu tai what the fuck, pakalbėk su tų žmogum, sakyk, ko reikia, atleisk, aš niek negaliu padėti, gali išeiti arba gražiuoju, prašau išeiti, nenoriu, aš savo problemų, nenoriu tavo problemų, viskas būtų susitvarkint, dabar, policija, padėkit! Va,
I
žaibuoju,
don't know
dėl to,
what he
kad
was
žmogus
looking
tik
for,
slepiasi.
but it was bizarre behavior. Historical footage was recorded just before 4:00 a.m. on a night in August 2020. The video captures an unidentified man walking in front of a house and emptying a gas container over the yard and front porch. Shortly after he disappears off-screen, a large fire erupts just in front of the
Seni,
camp.
jis tai vaikšto kaip kokį baletą būtų,
In front of a house and emptying the gas container over the yard and front porch. Shortly after he disappears off-screen, a large fire erupts.
Tava tik pastebėjo. Žiūrėk, liūtas ant galvos, kaip būn. Iš to žaidimo, kaip... Tas žaidimas, neatsimenu jų pavadinimų, kur tiesiog girtos gėlės ir tus augalus reikia dėlioti, kad apsisaugoto žmogus su tuo puodu ant galvos nuo tų zombių. Grinai. Aišėjai apsaugot kaimyną nuo zombių.
It's just in front of the camera.
Tiesiog padėgi.
No one would be injured during the incident, however.
Unfortunately,
Unfortunately,
what the fuck?
2 houses and a vehicle would be damaged. The homeowner would claim to have no idea who could be responsible or who would even consider doing this to them. At least from an outside perspective, the
Seni. Aš turiu šitam žmogui klausimą. Ką čia daro Orlauskas? Ką čia daro Orlauskas, blėt? Į Ameriką nuvyko. Policijos asistenčių pamūti. Babki užsikalti.
The act looks completely random with
Aš nesu piktas ant jo. Čia visi darom, ką norim, bet tai... Žodžiu, žiauru.
seemingly no reason behind it, making the clip all the more unsettling. On a night in September of 2021, a homeowner would get a suspicious knock on his door.
Seni. Čia Spider-Mans plus Slendermans, tai... Spy Slender.
At about 3:00 in the morning. Upon
Seni. Kas šitam žmogui suokim?
opening his phone and looking at his doorbell camera, he would see 2 would look like teenagers identifying themselves as CPD or Columbus Police Department.
Seni, tas toks, nu, duok dabar man pasikalbėti, tas pesnak. Toks, mala, žiūrė, toks.
3:00 in the morning. Upon opening his phone and looking at his doorbell camera, he would see 2 would look like teenagers identifying themselves as CPD or Columbus Police Department.
Sakiau, pesnak. Na tai, kai kamera yra.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
The video shows the man in the front clearly holding a firearm, and the house sitter would eventually access the doorbell camera speaker to further question him.
Can I help you? CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. I'm sorry? CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please? CPD. Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please. Can I see a badge? We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
The man refuses to show a badge because, well, obviously, he doesn't have one. The homeowner knew what was going on, so rather than stepping to the door, he would call the real police department and report 2 armed men at his front door. After a couple of minutes,
Gerai, tu pizdi. Seni.
once again attempted
Jisai trusikų pasidarė. Kur žinai, kur reikia, kur sėdėk ant burnos, tipo perskilk ant viršaus. Sen, čia Grinai, karučiai iš trusikų pasidarė. Tas bičiuks, kur plons, sen, suori neturi kauks. Tai niekas šis trusik nusipirks, padarys. Gal net lapčiai kiti darbo.
to get the homeowner to open the door. But after that failed, and they would run off before the real police could show up.
CPD, open the door.
Toks galvo, bet smil trusikai.
The 2 were most likely just looking to rob the man when he opened the door. But I mean, it's possible they had worse intentions in mind. There's just no way of knowing for sure. Both of them were never identified by police. In May of 2018, a woman would leave her parts car.
Kas čia per zoologijos sodas, blėt, paėmės. Kas čia dar? Kas čia per Voveruška. Voverė atskrenda.
That was just outside her house, unlocked overnight. Not surprisingly, someone would
Seni, kai čia kaimynas toks, žinai, su apsiaustu. Ką jis veikia, nežinau. Batelį jau vieną paėmės.
find the unlocked car and proceed to steal multiple items that were owned by the woman. A few hours later, the man responsible for the theft would be caught on the woman's doorbell camera attempting to use her set of keys that he had just stolen to unlock her house's front door. This all took place while the house owner was home and sleeping, but luckily the set of keys he had stolen didn't have a house key on it, so the guy just ended up walking off. Had the set of keys contained a house key, things most likely would have ended much differently. Shown in this doorbell camera footage is an unknown man wearing an oddly disturbing mask. As he walks up to the door, his emotions alert the camera to start recording, and that's when you can see him grab the door handle, realize it's locked, and hesitantly knock on the door. The man would wait for only a few seconds before he would pull his sleeve over his hand and wipe off his fingerprints from the door handle before walking off. Around a minute later, the homeowner would come to the door and now see the man across the street sitting in a car. When she yelled down to him to see what he wanted, he would quickly speed off. The homeowner would later state that she had no idea who this man could have been or what he was doing there. The fact that he removed his own fingerprints from the door handle suggests that he had most likely given them to the police at some point. It's not completely unreasonable to conclude that this man had some sort of criminal record. Something else of note is that someone's heavy object can be seen weighing down his front pocket. It's
Vibratorių atvežė iš AliExpresso.
not clear what this is, and more importantly, it's not clear who this man is. The mask would ultimately make it impossible for police to identify both the man's identity and his intentions.
Seni, kokią kaukę? Mato, šypsosi, jis tai pilnai susmakru, blemba, smailiu. Smailės makras, visaka su kaukė.
In July of 2021, Amanda Noack updated her Facebook with an
Nu, barzdykė tai gera.
alarming video. She took this video from her Ring doorbell as she set in for sleep. Someone rang her doorbell. She checked the app, only to see a man with gray hair and a full-grown gray beard presently knocking on her door and ringing the bell. Amanda didn't recognize this man, so she ignored the knocking, but the stranger didn't leave. As well as knocking, he kept repeating he wanted to talk to her and had questions for her.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
Seni, išsijung tą ventiliatorių, kad normaliai girdėtum per tą kamerą. Jisai ką tu suprasi iš to balsą. Benzapiuklą užsikūrė.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
Čiūva, žinau, kad kamerą.
Are you sure? What? Are you sure?
A tu tikra? Pala. Ne, pala. Jo, ar tu tikra? Seniai, kas čia per sakinys? Ar tu tikra? Seniai. Kai prieisiu prie mergos, kokios sakysiu, ar tu tikra? Seniai, arba čia jūs tiesiog, žinai, mokinas rizinti panas tokia, žinai, ir nemokėda pilnai sakinį sudėlioti toks, ar tu tikra? Galėjai šauti tokį, ar tu tikra? Nes tu atrodai iš dangaus kaip angelas. Blėt. Kas ten? Vibratorius pastatys vidurį miestą. Reikia nusipirkti.
I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain?
When she was home alone, she called her husband to tell him what was happening and called 911. So Amanda's husband
Send 911. Galėjai sakyti 911. What the fuck?
accessed the camera from his phone and saw the man. Ignoring him wasn't doing the trick, so he decided to talk to him using the speaker.
How are you? What? Yeah? Are you sure? Who are you? Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about the TV show. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to take her in.
Seniai man patikto žmogaus žvilgsnis. Paklaus žmogaus, čia grinai kaip pasakai, šiandien testą rašom ir tu toks va. Šiandien rašom testą? Šakės. Ir tai rašom testą.
I just heard a knock on the door again. All right.
After threatening the woman in a stone-cold tone, he's gone. He doesn't even seem scared off. He just leaves. As the man calmly walks away, he continues to talk to himself down the street. Amanda was terrified, but she feared this man might move to another house and hurt someone. So she took the creepy footage and posted it on Facebook. And it was thanks to this Facebook post that this man was arrested.
Taigi, užbaigsim prieš tai šito. Ačiū labai, kad žiūrėjot, buvo labai įdomi, labai juokinga, iš tikrųjų pažiūrėti šitą video, tipo, kai žmonės kelia, kad nori kitus išgąsdinti, tiesiog man yra juokinga iš tokių pasijuokti, tiesiog kvies kažkart policiją, matai, kad žmogus, arba tiesiog bandyk su jūs sutarti, kad nueik nuo mano durų, arba iškart kviečiu policiją, tiesiog man labai buvo juokinga čia pažiūrėti, pasijuokti. Aš norėjau šitai sugrįžti į YouTube, nes tikrai ilgai nekėliau. Rašykite į komentarus, kokį po velnių video dar reikia, gal apžvalgą kažkokį, kokią apžvalgą galite rašyti, kokį galbūt žaidimą pažaisti, arba gal kokį, ką galim dar sumastyti. Nu, gerai. Nu, ką dar galim, neįsivaizduoju. Vlogą galite prašyti, gal kažkokį padaryti, kai kokią nors kelionę varyčiau, dar kažką. Rašykit komentarus, sumokėkit man algą su subscribe'u, su like'u, varpelį, žinai, tą skalam, balam, pistą, pum. Ir geros dienos, lauksiu jūsų visados.